guys, it's Taylor back again here at Shoes of Hollywood, and today we're going to get straight into it. I have these pleasers here, they're the Adore Glitter. These are in the rose gold. How pretty are they? So these guys are a 7-inch platform. They come in a gold, a pink and a silver, but I prefer the rose gold. They have, as you can see, the glitter filled platforms. Really nice grip underneath so you're not sliding around everywhere. They have the rose gold little clips on the side to hook in for your laces. Nice, lovely, easy zipper. And a beautiful gold on the inside. Alright, let's try these on. Aren't these just gorgeous? How pretty would they be with a white cocktail dress? Look at how they shine. Alright guys, these are perfect. I definitely would recommend these. Super comfy, easy to walk in. They're only a 7-inch, which is not that high. They're the perfect shoes to get started with, especially if you're wanting to go up to the bigger sizes. I love these, like that little extra bit just makes the shoe so much. If you can't tell, I'm obviously obsessed with this colour. Look at my nails. I definitely will be taking these home tonight. So I'm just going to give you guys another close-up of these shoes just so you can really get the good look at them. I really do love the glitter at the bottom because the glitter is inside, so it's never going to come off. It's always going to be there perfect how it is now. Remember guys, these are the Adore Glitter in 7-inch heels. Perfect. Alright, bye guys, see you next time.